I'm Dr. Philip Schalow, and I'm here to talk to you about hugging, how to hug well. Now, this is a model of the head and the neck and where it connects up. And this is an area that's very susceptible to injury because of the way it's built. It slides very easily, and if some force pushes it out of position, it interferes with the brain's control of the body distorts, you get a short leg phenomenon, and things start breaking down. That's bad. Now, this can actually happen when you hug somebody. Now let's think about what we want to communicate in hugging. We want to say encouragement. We want to say I love you. We want to give support. We want to just greet people. Now, how can we make sure that the act of hugging does not interfere with the emotion of hugging, the gift of hugging? This is a demonstration of me hugging my wife, Kathy. Now, Kathy is a lot shorter than I am, and you can see how easy it is for me to hug with my hands on her back, across the back, distributing the force of the hug around the whole torso. What we don't want is the arm around the neck. That's putting lateral forces through the neck, sideways forces through the neck. That's bad. We don't want forces of the hands into the neck, under the head. This is what that looks like. Now in this image, we have me hugging Oleander. He's my plastic spine. And I want to show you a couple of details. Look at the neck. That's where we want to not have force. We don't want to have forces going into the neck because that can disturb the relation between the head and the neck. Instead, what we want to have is the hands around the back, distributing the force of the hug in a broad area of the torso. So now you know some details that'll help you to hug in a nurturing way.